So we got a question right here. Calculate the size to the nearest degree of AEC. Okay, so let me draw the diagram real quick. This is my diagram, right? This is my diagram. My apologies for the bad diagram, right? I'm just drawing it for for educational purposes, to teach you guys. So this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is A. This is 9 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter, right? So I can see that I need this time basically AEC angle, right? AEE this angle, right? AEC this whole triangle E angle, right? So I can calculate it using the whole triangle, or basically just using this triangle with 8.5, just this, basically I'm just saying DAE, or you can use it as CAE. You're gonna get it both ways. I'm gonna show you the both way. So you have sine AE, you're gonna use the sine formula, right? The sine theta for the sine rule formula, right? So this is the over here is your basically sides, right? Sides is equals to another sine theta 2, sine theta 1, right? And you're another sides, right? So find our value, right? So sine AEE is equals to, I'm going to first take the whole triangle, right? Which is EC, AEC, right? So opposite to E, I can see the angle E, because this is for the angle E, right? So opposite to E, I can see that is CB plus BA, right? So for this, I have already calculated before, which was BC, right? The BC value I have already calculated, right? Which was 6.2, basically 2442, and then I added up with 8 plus 2442, right? And then they will be equal to this angle right here, right? Sine 25, because I have been given a side opposite to it. I'm not given this, neither the angle over here or neither the side over here, right? So I have been given an angle over here. So this angle and this side is given. So sine 25 by 9, right? And then once you calculated your AE, right, you will get your answer as basically, as 42, degree, right? 42 degree, right? So now this is the first way, right? The second way is basically the similar way, just taking this DAE triangle, right? So sine AEC, right? The angle AEC, right? And this time I'm just considering DAE, right? So my E angle is basically opposite to this side, which is DA, that I already have calculated, which is basically 8.5134, right? And then I have the sine 45 in this angle. I can see the sine 45. How I got 45, I'm gonna let you know. So see, from here I can see this triangle, like this whole triangle is 180, right? CBD, right? So 180 I will minus it, because I will know the sum of triangle is 180, right? So 180 minus 90, this is 90, this is another 90, 25, then you will get your answer as basically 65, right? And as we know, the straight line has an angle of 180, right? This thing always has 180, right? 180 degrees. So I minus 180 minus, basically this is let me write it clearly, right? Basically this is 65, right? And this is 20. So if I minus 180 minus 65 minus 20, so I get this as basically this is 70, right? Not 20, 70, right? And this I get it as 45, right? If you minus 180 by 65, 70, right? So you will get this angle of the straight angle, the straight line angle, right? So it's 45 degree. Okay, so that's why I said 45 degree over here, and then 9 centimeter, right, opposite to this side. So I get this AE value that I'm gonna write it over here as basically also 42. If you round it off, you will get the 42, same thing, as this thing right over here. So this is your final answer of the two-way method.